Kriti. I am a mechatronics engineer. I have studied mechatronics for 4 years and I have worked in the field for 2 years. And now I am pursuing my master's in Germany, specializing in automation and robotics. And this confusion about mechatronics, I have lived with it. When I was choosing my engineering, I was also running after CSIT and if CSIT नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर I'll take electronics या फिर कुछ भी जो EC, EE, EEE ऐसा कुछ ले लूँगी. But when I went for my counseling, I had my parents outside there and they just called me saying that there is some great branch. I wasn't fully sure. I thought, okay, let's just do engineering. But then I went to labs. There I saw robots actually moving. There I saw machines doing pick and place thing, the conveyor belts. At that moment, something just clicked in my mind, and I'll tell you honestly, I was just fascinated. And that fascination turned into learning, and that learning turned into clarity and my reality. Today I'm still in the same field, not because it was easy, but because it was worth understanding. Mechatronics became my foundation, and today I'm doing and studying its specialized version. That is, I'm doing my master's in automation and robotics, that too from Germany. And yes, I'll say that Germany is the best place to study this subject. But here's the truth, nobody ever sat me down and explained properly like what actually is mechatronics, what it demands, what is the scope, what are the job opportunities, and nothing, just nothing. And if you'll see on YouTube as well, you'll find big creators making videos on making just one video on mechatronics engineering and explaining it from the surface level. Nobody is going into the depth. I still feel that there is some gap. That's why students are not able to understand what actually mechatronics is offering. This, my main motive is to fill that gap and actually make people understand what is mechatronics engineering, why I did that, and how I am just continuing my career in the same field. Because studying it for the 4 years and listening to people back in India saying mechatronics offers nothing, there is no scope, you'll not get any job. But that is not the truth. There is scope. Mechatronics is so much underrated. Mechatronics is misunderstood by most of the people. I remember when I was in my office, people used to ask me like, Riti, what is mechatronics? Where should we assign you? What work should we assign you? In the electronics department or in the mechanical department? So I am creating this channel for students, for aspirants, and honestly for that 19-year-old Riti who needed this guidance. And just like me, I can just imagine like there would be more students who need this. No filters, no just high hopes ki aisa hota hai, waisa hota hai. I'll tell you everything real. Like if there are drawbacks, if there are good things, like pros and cons, everything, I'll just communicate. And see you in the next video with the title, What is Mechatronics Engineering? So if you are someone who still have few questions, like I'll be posting the videos. So after watching the video, if you have any question, you can comment, you can just email me. I'll give and provide the best I could. And for the students in 11th and 12th standard running behind CS, I'm telling you, mechatronics is something very great you are missing. And if you just don't understand it and you just skip it without understanding, you'll miss something really nice. I have done mechatronics for 4 years. I have worked in that for 2 years. I am doing my masters in the same field. 4 साल पढ़ने के बाद 2 साल काम करने के बाद मैं still उसी में continue कर रही हूँ, स्पेशलाइजेशन कर रही हूँ ऑटोमेशन एंड रोबोटिक्स में, आई एम टेलिंग यू this is great. I am really enjoying it, and if you'll choose it you'll never get bored. भाई मैं कभी bored नहीं होती हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ नया करने को होता ही है. And this was video 0 of my series. Like, I just wanted to give the introduction and the main motive behind the channel, and I myself just wanted to get comfortable with the camera and the speaking. Okay, so that's it from my side. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.